Introducing the ultimate transformation for your outdoor spaces by Skyline Homes Kenya. Are you ready to elevate your property with Cabro and Eurocon paving blocks? At Skyline Homes Kenya, we're paving the way to a more beautiful tomorrow. Our Cabro and Eurocon paving blocks aren't just about construction. They're about crafting elegance and durability that lasts. Our team of dedicated experts takes pride in every installation, ensuring precision artistry and perfection in every block laid. Imagine stepping onto your paved patio, driveway, or walkway, a reflection of your taste and style. With a wide array of styles, colors, and sizes, your design possibilities are limitless. Skyline Homes Kenya brings your vision to life. Ready to start your transformation journey? Contact Skyline Homes Kenya today at +254 7102 16572 or email us at skylinehomeskenya@gmail.com. Let us create outdoor spaces that not only impress but endure with Cabro and Eurocon paving blocks. Skyline Homes Kenya. You dream it, we actualize it.